Hello, wonderful people. As you can see, I'm back in a very familiar spot after a very long time, and I'm at Study Enterprise. I have with me owner of Study Enterprise, Uncle here, and his son,
Hello.
Shapnil Bhai. So basically, I want to tell you a few things before I start. I have few fragrances I'll review, and I'll show you that they have some collections also. So basically, what happened during the lockdown, you guys know, a lot of shopping malls closed down, a lot of shops they were not operating. So what happened basically was they were actually in business, but they're doing more like wholesale and online. But now they are full on back with the shop, and they have full collection. They have brought new collection, more collections coming up. So Uncle is very kind enough to let me do a review. Today is a Friday weekend, so I'm gonna try to do very quickly. But you'll actually miss Steve Pai. Steve Pai is in USA right now, so he was actually my friend, and we used to do reviews together. But if you come to the shop, if you're from Bangladesh, you'll find Shopnil Bhai. You can see he looks exactly like Steve Bhai, but mini version. So he's actually even smarter than Steve Bhai. All right, so he knows everything about perfumes, anything regarding fragrances you can ask. And there's also one sister here. আপু আপনার নামটা কি?
Moshumi.
Moshumi. Okay, sister Moshumi is here. She also knows about fragrance. She's very smart, and this other stuff very friendly. So basically, Gulshan Police Plaza, level 1, and you guys know you can. I'll share the page link. So I think we hit the review. I think we have few fragrances. I think about 10 or more than that. So I'm gonna go one by one. I have chosen some unusual ones, uncommon ones you cannot find everywhere. Stalin Enterprise has these fragrances, okay? And it's my pleasure to come back to Stalin after I think about 6-7 months, almost half a year. So let's see. First one I'm going to show you is called Bora Bora. Okay, this is a classic perfume. I think this is for men. I think this is for men, but I didn't check. But anyway, Bora Bora it looks very classic perfume bottle. So this is kind of fresh. I think it feels a little bit like Azora Chrome, fresh, watery, aquatic, little bit green, but it's a very classy 90s sort of feel. So you can definitely try. I think this is in the budget side on the prices. Very cool bottle. I don't know if it's for women or men, but you can try. I think it's unisex. Bora Bora, first one. Next one is another unusual fragrance. I don't know if it's discontinued or available, but you don't see this everywhere. This is House of Davidoff. This is called Adventure for Men. This one is for sure is for men. The orange juice, very beautiful bottle. And these Davidoff usually is a house. They do not charge you so much money. They are more on the affordable side. This fragrance is so beautiful, guys. This one has sandalwood note, very sweet, woody, and clean, fresh, a little bit musk. This perfume can be used in summer times, mild cold weathers, upcoming winters. You can use it for students. This is a great fragrance. It looks really nice in the shelf as well. So this one I highly recommend. Davidoff Adventure, smells like adventure in the forest. Very nice perfume. Okay, this is also on a very good budget pricing. So the prices you have to come and check. It depends on if you buy and then want to check, you can definitely test. But if you really are serious customer, they will let you know the price on your request. So they also have a page which I'll share. Star Enterprise got a Facebook page. Next one is Classic Amber by Jaguar. This again I think this is the most affordable fragrance in this list. I think it's under $20. Okay, so this one is a part of Jaguar for Men Classic, and this is amber based fragrance, a little bit spicy amber. I think a little bit feels like a little bit brown leather as well. This is a very nice fragrance. Okay, I think this is gonna be good for nighttime. Cool weather would be perfect. Upcoming winter, you can definitely try. I handpicked these fragrances among all those because I want to show you the amber one. Okay, beautiful bottle as well. Okay, Classic Amber. All right, so the next one is a very beautiful bottle. This is one of my favorite house on the budget. This is called Frank Olivier. All right, and this is called White Touch. Basically this is for women, and look at the bottle. It has a little bit of a design going on. All right, golden and white, very pretty bottle. Okay, looks like Initio Side Effect bottle. So this fragrance, if you guys know already, Frank Olivier, other fragrances, they have this kind of a animalic beast mode sort of fragrance. This is more like a white florals, musky fragrance for women, clean, fresh, floral. Okay, so this one men can use. It does have something green in it, and the fragrance basically I would say 60 for women, 40 for men, but definitely summer perfume with a very good longevity. These fragrances last a long time. Okay? Again, on the cheaper side, Frank Olivier White Touch. So next one is a classic. This is going to be a little bit more pricey. This designer again, Pasha de Cartier, the regular one. I think the EDT version. So this one basically, if you know Ralph Lauren Safari, Polo Safari, and then some of these old school classic fragrances, this is one of them, like Polo Green, if you know. This feels like those time 90s. Fresh, clean. If you know also, I think YSL Life Jazz, this is similar to that. Okay, very nice, cool bottle. Okay, and the price is not supreme expensive. It's affordable still, I think, in the designer. This is very masculine, mature fragrance. Okay, definitely give it a try. Very strong perfume. Kashadi, Kashadi, Pashadi Cartier. Okay, okay. Basically, another thing I want to tell you, like in Bangladesh, you guys know there's a difference between USA and Bangladesh. That is, Bangladesh we only get big size bottle, like 100 ml or more. In foreign countries, you have the options of 30 ml, 50 ml, but I think if you buy bigger bottle, it's more economical and makes more sense. Here, they import mostly the bigger bottle size. So smaller bottles you have to pre-order. Okay. Next one, I think I might take it today. This is one fragrance I want to try for a very long time. This is Oscar de la Renta Pour Louis. This is a fragrance, I would say, classy fragrance. Look at that bottle, beautiful blue bottle. Look at that cap design. It's a very up class. It looks like you can have a Zippo lighter, you know, like a expensive car. And this fragrance smells like Puros. Okay, YSL Puros. A little bit like Givenchy Gentleman. You know those fragrances, masculine fragrances. This is like that. Okay, really nice fragrance, and I think it's going to be very long lasting as well. Okay, and the fragrance is on the, I think, more affordable side. This is very masculine fragrance for winter. Pour Louis by Oscar de la Renta. Okay, we have 4 more. I'm being a bit careful because, you know, I don't want to drop any bottles. So next one is discontinued fragrance. I want to show you. This one, many people like it. Many people say it was okay, but I think it's really nice. Polo Double Black, the matte black bottle, 125 ml with the horseman on it. Okay, basically it's got the sticker. This is a bit hard to find. The prices are gone high. Okay, so if you find it, if you like it, I suggest you take it. This got that spicy mango, little bit sweetness, bit dark, but it's not that dark. Okay, you can use it in Bangladesh conditions. I think the longevity is okay, moderate, but the smell is very pleasant. If you do like the mango note, Polo Double Black, definitely give it a try. Nice fragrance. Okay, so the next one is called Alfred Daniel House. This is the Icon line. Okay, and this is Absolute. You can see the juice color. It's a bit golden, and the bottle is very beautiful. Take a look. This is very heavy bottle, just like the other Icon series, and they have Icon Elite, Icon Racing. This one, I think, total 4. Okay, so this one is basically Middle Eastern take on Icon. It smells very woody, and there is more oud and spices than actual oud. So basically, if you do like Gucci Purom 1, in line with those, but very nice, very beautiful, and I think it's very sophisticated. Work, office, suit, you can definitely rock it, or international, if you're taking a flight. It's a good fragrance. It's inoffensive as well. So woody, spicy, kind of like a masculine fragrance, and a little bit amber perhaps, I'm not sure. Okay, so next one we're gonna look at is Boucheron. You guys know Boucheron is a classic house. I do love Boucheron Jaipur. This is Boucheron Purom. This is a classic. They also have an EDP version that is a frosted glass, but this is the EDT. So basically, just give me 1 second. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. There are some kids playing. Anyway, so basically, this one, I sprayed all of them on the paper already. Very classic juice. Look at the juice color. It's yellow. And this one, they have the Boucheron. One interesting thing, they have this kind of design rings. Okay, Boucheron makes very expensive jewelry. So if you wear rings, this one have this design. So very beautiful. Those are going to be very expensive, but the perfumes are inexpensive. Very spicy, manly, powerhouse sort of fragrance for winter time. You can use it for summers, but I think more for 40 and above. This kind of man would really rock this with a lot of confidence. Boucheron Purom by Jaipur, or Boucheron, sorry. The last one we have, I think this is, I did not see this everywhere. This is old collection from House of Mansera. This is called Roses Jasmine. Okay, so this is a bit hard to find in Bangladesh, but it's more jasmine. It's a floral perfume for women. Juice color is very pretty. Bottles are nice, 120 ml. These are niche fragrances, and the fragrance is very strong. If you like long-lasting fragrances, I think this is one of them, like 10 hours plus pushing. But do not apply too much. This fragrance, less is more. Okay. So rose jasmine, I don't detect so much rose. It's more like of the jasmine and vanilla, or rather musky, and maybe a little bit of oud and perhaps some blackcurrant. But this is a nice little fragrance. Definitely try before you buy. Do not blind buy this fragrance. So I think that's all. That's basically. I will come back actually after maybe end of this month when the winter starts. They're going to have a lot more collection, and I think they will bring some new shipment. Okay, I think that some niche fragrances are coming. I think Amouage, Creed, Nishane. So if you Nishane also, and then usual designers brand new releases they are gonna bring. So I'm not quite sure. I'll let you know. I'll update you in my group, Racom Bangladesh. Check my group. I'll post some pictures, and definitely for winter there's gonna be some sort of promotion. I will come here. Maybe we'll do a live session. All right. And thank you so much, Uncle, for your courtesy and then your hosting. And thank you, Bhaiya, so much.
Thank you so much, Bhaiya.
Okay, no problem. Shopin Bhai, if you want to say something for your customers, you can say in Bangla or English.
Alright. So, this is we are here after a long time, and I'm going to sit here from now on. Though I'm a student, I can't be here all the time for you guys. But if you have any queries or if you want to know any price of the perfumes, please knock me in our page, or I have my phone number in my page. You can contact me in there. So I hope to see you guys in here.
Okay. So thank you so much, Swapnil Bhai, and they have a page, as I told you, a Facebook page. Do you have a website, brother, yet? Not yet, right?
Not yet.
Okay,
But
so the
we're
website
planning
is, they are going to make a website because they have a huge collection. They have both wholesale and retail. So for now, I'll leave the link below of their Facebook page. They upload from time to time, so you can knock Swapnil Bhai in person or the page, we message regarding any fragrance price, they will inbox you, okay? Because the prices, they vary, so nowadays no pages actually mention the price. So basically for, we have some issues in Bangladesh, but genuine products, everything, don't worry about the authenticity. They're all from USA. Products are from USA. And last thing I want to say that Style Enterprise, I think, is the oldest shop, actually oldest business which bring perfume in Bangladesh. The trend was started by Style Enterprise. So please support our good brothers, who are involved in business, because if we support each other during these difficult times, we all can survive together, right? So please do visit Police Plaza Gulshan. If you come here by any chance, you can ask me also regarding anything. You can inbox me, but do support everybody, actually, basically not just anybody who's doing business. They can use our support in these difficult times. Everybody have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching, and I think I'll sign out for the day. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.